Coloring with Rutaba.
Let's color and learn the shape. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. I am a square. You can see me everywhere. I have 4 sides and 4 corners. I am circle. I have only one side. I am triangle. I have 3 sides and 3 corners. I am trapezoid. I have 4 sides and 4 corners. I am pentagon. I have 5 sides and 5 corners. I am hexagon. I have 6 sides and 6 corners. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना।